Hi friends, our next live session will be tomorrow evening from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. as part of these live series sessions that we're conducting daily. And this will be again continuation of what we've done today. It will again be based on TensorFlow and Keras walkthroughs. And tomorrow we'll continue where we stopped today. So today we learned some basics of TensorFlow 2.0, some basics of tf.keras. We learned about TensorBoard. We learned about model checkpointing, some basic stuff. We also learned the basics of functional API in addition to the sequential API of Keras. So tomorrow we will learn about building a ResNet-like model using the functional API in Keras. And we'll also learn about how to design our own custom layers in TensorFlow.keras. And we'll also learn about the basics of time series forecasting using a very simple example using LSTMs. Again, we'll write all the code in TensorFlow 2.0 and specifically Keras. So for the LSTM part of tomorrow's session, please revise in addition to all the other chapters in deep learning. Please also revise the chapter where we discuss LSTMs, recurrent neural networks, GRUs, etc. so that we don't have to repeat some of the theoretical concepts. Again, we also have a lot of code walkthroughs in the course videos. Please try to go through that so that we can focus on other aspects that we have not covered in the course videos, right? So please prepare. In addition to MLP CNNs, please also revise. If you've already learned it earlier, please revise the concepts from the LSTM chapter, especially the code walkthroughs in the LSTM chapter, so that we can finish all these three topics tomorrow. So see you tomorrow again at 6 p.m. The live is between 6 to 8 p.m. It's accessible to all of our registered students via the desktop app as usual.